Have you ever found yourself tangled in the complexities of managing your project files? It can be a real headache, especially when it comes to keeping your .npmignore and .gitignore files in sync. If that sounds familiar, you're in the right place. Today, we're diving into how to extend your .npmignore file from your .gitignore without duplicating all those rules. I totally get it. Managing multiple ignore files can feel like juggling flaming torches. You want to keep your project clean without the hassle of rewriting rules. You're definitely not alone in this struggle. Many developers face the same challenge. Here's the specific question we're addressing today. One user asked, is there a way to make my .npmignore file extend from my .gitignore file? They have dozens of rules in their .gitignore and want to use them all, plus add one more for their npm package. Sound like a situation you've been in? Let's explore this together. So why is this a common issue? The .gitignore file is used by Git to determine which files to ignore in version control, while .npmignore serves a similar purpose for npm packages. Unfortunately, they don't automatically sync, which can lead to duplication and confusion. But don't worry, we have a solution. And stick around. At the end of this video, I'll share a quick tip that will save you time and effort in managing your ignore files. To extend the functionality of the .npmignore file using the rules from .gitignore, the user can create a script that reads the .gitignore file and generates the npmignore file automatically. The user can use Node.js to create this script. First, they should set up a new JavaScript file, for example, generate npmignore.js. In the script, the user will need to include the fs module to handle file operations. They can read the .gitignore file and append any additional npm rules before writing to .npmignore. After writing the script, the user can run it using Node.js. This will create the .npmignore file with all the rules from .gitignore, plus any additional rules they specified. Finally, the user should verify that the npmignore file is correctly set up by checking its contents. This ensures that all necessary files are ignored when publishing the npm package. Fun fact: did you know that the first version of Git was released in 2005? It has come a long way since then, just like our understanding of file management. Now let's look at the answers provided by other users. One user suggests a practical workaround for extending your .npmignore from .gitignore. They recommend setting up a prepack script in your package JSON. This script will copy your .gitignore to .npmignore and then append any additional rules you need from a separate file. Additionally, they suggest adding a postpack script to remove .npmignore after it's no longer needed, keeping your project clean. That's the end of that answer. Let's see another perspective. An alternative solution suggested by another user is to use the npm package called commonignore. This package can help you extend your .gitignore rules into your .npmignore file without duplicating them. Here's that quick tip I promised. Consider using tools like gitignore to npmignore, which can automate this process for you. It's a game changer. And there you have it. You can now manage your .npmignore and .gitignore files without the hassle of duplication. Remember, keeping your project organized is key to success. If you found this video helpful, hit that subscribe button for more tips, and don't miss our next video, where we dive deeper into project management best practices.